Good morning, everyone. This morning I made this little Chanel book, which I thought was pretty. I'm gonna have it laying down like that, and I like the flowers on top of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another one. It's just gonna be a Prada one, but this is how this one came out. I loved it. I thought it was super cute and very easy to do. So what I first did was I grabbed this, it was a gift box, and I cut it in half, and then I kind of put that in there for support. But this is what it looks like. I cut it in half, and then I glued the sides. I glue these sides, and then I put the cardboard right there for support. So when you put something on it, it doesn't sink in. So what I'm gonna do to this right now, my next step is I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. It didn't work, so I went and looked for wrapping paper, and I did find some. So I wrapped it with the drawing down. You can kind of see the see-through, but that's not gonna matter because we're gonna keep wrapping. So it's just to give it a little cover up. Everybody, so I'm gonna make 4 of these, and I made like a Chanel book and like a Prada box to put in originally in the restroom, and then I didn't like the way it looked, so I switched it up to my room. And I really like it. I really like the way it came out. But before I show you guys like the ending product, I'm going to show you guys how to build, how easy it is to build or reuse something. They were originally like this because we had a 50th birthday, and we had carnations. Red carnations with gold and stuff. So I took those out and I put them in, and this is what I have. But I'm making 4 of them. And then, like I said, I have a Chanel book. It's supposed to be a book that I made, and a Prada box. You will see them all together, and it looks very, very nice. So keep watching. Okay, so first, what I did, I did not record when I did it because it was already glued on. This right here, I'm gonna redo because that has excessive glue. You can see it looks ugly. I already fixed the bottom one, and I also put some clear gems in there at the bottom. If you see over here, it's just so I can give it a nice look. That's all it's for. But it looks nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and redo this, and I'll be back. Okay, so it looks better. It looks better compared to how it was glued. So we'll put in a rose. Let's put in a rose. Let's put in this rose. Just start putting roses on there. Just start putting roses. What I do, I'll put it like this, like in the middle. And then, I'm sorry, I'm gonna be moving my phone around. So there, there's one. Sorry, I'm a little sick. And I just keep going round and round and round. I have to cut down my roses because they're too long. So I'm going to cut down my roses, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have the 2. And I'm going to go upstairs to show you guys the other 2 that I already had made, plus everything else and how it came together, okay? So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.